If you have a graphing calculator, this isn't too bad to do. Here, let me move this out of the way. What you do is put the function into go y equals, and go ahead and type in that function. I'll go ahead and pause this video while I'm doing that. Okay, so I went ahead and put that in. Now you got to make sure you're using enough parentheses. Like I needed to divide the whole denominator is the 3 times the quantity x minus 1 squared. So I change it to x, so the calculator needs x, not t's. Okay, unless it's in parametric mode, we don't want to do that. So just make sure you have it typed in right. Notice my liberal use of parentheses. I need to do the same thing for the numerator, right? Then what you can do is, since we want to substitute in these values repeatedly, I mean, we could do this with the spreadsheet. I don't know if you know how to use a spreadsheet, but the calculator worked pretty well for this also. So what we do is we do second, we're going to do a table. So if you do second table set, what you're going to do is we're going to start it at, actually it doesn't matter, because what we're going to do is we're going to do ask. I'm going to change independent to ask. What that's going to allow us to do is to substitute in the 0.9, the 0.99, the 0.9999, and it'll automatically give us the output. Then do second table, and you see how it doesn't have us anything, gave us anything. So you're going to type in the 0.9, and oh no, the other thing I got to make sure I am in radian mode, so I'm good because we're doing trig, so we got to make sure in radian mode. So second table. All right, so that's the first box. Then the second one goes the 0.99, and then the 0.999, and so on and so forth. Then we go to the other side of 1. So that's that. Next week we'll talk about limit. We'll talk about the limits as we approach a value, right? From the left and the right. So I know this is this chapter, this section. Yeah, so the limit from the left, it looks like, is about 2/3. And now we'll do it coming from the right. So now we're starting way out at the right. No, we're starting close in, aren't we? So 1.001. So this is corresponding to the 0.999 only on the right hand side. And that should be about 2/3, right? So I'm guessing to answer part B that the slope is 2/3 as we approach 1. And of course, do we need to know that? This is kind of the rudimentary way. What are we doing? 0.11, what other numbers? 0.01, 1.01, and 1.1. Okay, so that's what it was looking for, to estimate it numerically, and which is a great skill to be able to do, estimate things numerically. So you do that by the table. You want to set up your table with the second window, and then to view your table, do second table, and then that'll do it for you. Okay.